Sam,
Yeah?
where are we off to?
Bratislava.
Which is country number?
26.
What? The year's not even finished yet. Country 26. And we're going to hear even more, right? But they have to watch out. Yeah. So we have to stay tuned to watch out.
Yeah.
But
If you guys don't watch, then well, I guess you'll miss it.
yeah. That's why you need to watch.
Surely you don't miss it.
Yeah. So let's go to 27, Slovakia.
No, it's 26, right?
26. 26. Nearly got that outro wrong. Oh, intro. I can't even say it right. I've lost my mind. It's too early. What time is it? It's 7, yeah. Okay. Let's go to Slovakia.
We are in Bratislava Airport.
Slovakia. Country
In
number?
Slovakia. Country number 26, a brand new one.
Ooh, Mercedes. The airport is tiny, right?
Yeah, it is British.
What does it say? No guns allowed at this point. Oh. Terrible for Americans, I guess. Oh, so this is Bratislava.
We're not in Bratislava. We're outside. Right, so we're on the drive, heading to Prague. Country number 27. That's insane. We're over a quarter of the way there now. We're in Slovakia right now, and we'll be in Prague for 2 days.
Dear home. Yes.
There we are. Where are we? We are in country number 27.
In a quarter of a mile, keep left.
Are we recording?
Yes, we are recording.
Okay, good. That just looks insane.
The castle thing.
And where are we, Sam?
We are in Prague.
Christmas market, right?
Old Town one.
Old Town, yeah. This place looks like from a fairy tale book. That castle, look at the towers. Like, you go to Disneyland to see that place. Oh, there's a Cartier shop?